In the last step, I tried to get rid of all the octagonal corners and make this more rounded. And I used the block plane. I think I'm going to just do a little bit of scraping here. That'll even improve the rounding a little bit better and make a nice surface. There's a awkward place there with a okay, that's the upper part. Now let me just okay. Now I need to get the bamboo nodes or joints marked out again, and there's that one and that one and that one. So let me just mark those out a little bit around the surface. And there, in these bamboo joints, there's a little V cut. And the way I do that, I'm going to get a sharp knife here. And I put that sharp knife down in that marking. And then just roll the knife okay, there's that one. There's that one. This is just a vertical cut. Okay. Now, I need a chisel. And what I typically do here, and I don't want to hide the view much, I'll try to work this way a little bit. Just come down with some, take some chips out of there, down to the knife cut. It's just a 1/16 of an inch, maybe, away from the cut line. Less than that, 32nd. The width of that V groove is going to be about 1/16 of an inch. Now I need to come at that from the other direction also. And that's when the chip ought to start coming out of there. Might be able to do this with a V tool, but it's pretty small diameter. Now, the way I finish that off is with a little file that is used for saw sharpening. And I just stick that in that groove and roll the spindle. And that gives a pretty clean joint there.